Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're in very good health. Take care of your family, take care of yourself, and be safe in these pandemic times. So today we have come to a very new session of data visualization. So for everyone's ease and accessibility to a good tool, a powerful tool which is being used in the market, data visualization can be done in plethora of tools like ClickView, then Tableau, then Power BI, then we have Glue, and you can use Python as well. So let us just choose any of them. So for now we are going to choose Power BI, and this entire series of videos will be about Power BI. And right off we need to start off with the basics, and this session is only about how to find out the Power BI software and get it installed in your system. So where do we do it? Like we have to go to Google and then search for it. So Power BI, it's free actually, the desktop version of it. So just write Power BI and it gives you this site. So wait for this one. So it should be https://powerbi.microsoft.com and come here. It has a pricing obviously, but to learn it's free and you don't have to worry about paying anything. So just go on. We don't have to go to Power BI Pro, Premium, Mobile or everything right now. Just need to understand how to design the dashboards. The entire interesting part is here, how to design those dashboards. The next part comes when you are actually linking it up with the module and all everything. So this is the Power BI desktop, and once you go to this page, you can scroll and check what is the entire page. You may be having a 32-bit system, this, that, but it doesn't matter all in that way. So just go up and go for download free. So it takes you to Microsoft Store. You could have done it with the store here, but I wanted to give you a complete simple walkthrough. Oh my god, it's not here. So where is it? So I need to search it here, and you see there is Power BI desktop. The link directly did not come through, and you have to come through to here and see. Don't look at the average ratings or like that. I know tools can be very competitive. Some have better features, some have not features. You see Tableau, it's an excellent tool. You see ClickView, it is another excellent tool. But Power BI gives you the use, the ease of use. It's very user friendly. So it's drag and drop. That's it. So we'll just click on get, and you can just put it for starting to download, acquiring license. It will take a lot of time, and let me just cut through to the part where it is downloaded, and it should get automatically installed. You see, it is like a huge file, 700 MB. It will take its time. Once it's downloaded, it will start installing. So let me skip through to that part. So guys, it's already downloaded and then installed, and we just have to open it. You can open it through here, or you can directly go ahead and open it through searching it. So we'll use the search button because this window will not be conveniently available to each one of you. So we'll close this off, go to the search part, and let us search Power BI desktop. So see, here it is. So click on this. You can either run it as an administrator or just open it up. Based on your system, it requires a good amount of memory. So if you have 8 GB RAM, it will be very smooth. So this is how we have installed Power BI, and this is it. So this is the opening screen of Power BI, and these are basically your first tab, the file features. Like I don't want to click on any of these right now. I'll walk you through each of these in detail. So this is the home tab where you have different sources. Then if you can connect to SQL Server, all and everything, each of them are here. You have to insert some visuals, then primary report, decompose tree, etc. Then modeling gives you access to multiple features with the table of the data and all everything. Apart from these, there are two more important things to notice: the things on the right and the things on the left. The first thing, on the left side, you have 3 buttons. This gives you the report view, the dashboard. This gives you the tabular view of the data in the backend. And this gives you the model view. So if you might be importing multiple CSV or Excel files, they might be in different formats, but they will be joined nonetheless here. And this view will give you how the models are connected to each other, how the tables are connected to each other, how the data is being pulled, what is the key to that, whether that join is a many to one, one-to-many, anything. Once your left side is basically ready with imports and all everything, you can view on the right side. It's basically you have the filters here, the choice of visualizations like stacked bar chart. We can explore each of them later on, and we also have the fields here. It's currently blank because you do not have any data here. So once we upload any file data here, it will give you a very good, ease and use of like all the tables and all the fields that you have here. I can just pull them through in each of these visuals, and you can create beautiful reports out of it. So till that time, guys, first install Power BI and get some sample data sets if you want ready, or I will provide the links for the sample data sets right below in the description section. Till that time, enjoy, read up on your basics, and we can come back to beautiful dashboards. Tata, bye bye, sayonara. Keep subscribing, liking, comment, and share. Bye bye.